Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create smooth slow motion videos in CapCut on your PC. So first, select your video clip, or you can also use the split feature to just slow-mo the certain part of the video. You can click on this icon right here, or you can also press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. Now select the specific part of the video that you want to slow-mo. Go to the speed in the top right corner of the screen that is between audio and animation. Go to standard, and here you'll see the speed slider. You can slow down the video speed from here, but this often results in a less smooth effect. For the smoothest slow motion in CapCut, you'll need to use the curves option. So go to the curve that is beside the standard option, and here you can use the custom option. Tap on custom, and then after you can then smooth out the slow motion effect. Select the first point and drag it downwards. Do the same for the subsequent points as well. And after that, when you play that certain video, you'll see a much smoother slow motion effect. You can also go back and adjust the slider as needed, and then play the video again. This is the most effective way to create smooth slow motion videos in CapCut on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.